expect the Deputy Opposite some Nick to start lecturing other parties in terms of fundraising. There's nothing wrong with political parties having legitimate means of fundraising. And if that is by a raffle, there's nothing wrong with that. And the idea of providing for that in law, in my view, is a correct thing to do. It's transparent, it's open, and political parties should have legitimate avenues to raise money within the legal framework. That's simply what's going on here. And I think if you look back over your own history and the history of your movement going back over decades, I would love a similar level of transparency.
Why not scrutinise
it
then?
In relation to the historic fundraising that your movement engaged in over the decades. I really mean that. Because if you want to hold other parties up to scrutiny, hold yourselves.
Where does your party come from? Where does your party come from? Where did your party come from?
In relation to Deputy Nash.
Where did your party come from?
Interruption.
And again, I mean,
what happened in Cork in the 20s?
You have raised $15 million in the United States over the last number of years. 15 million. Nearly 4 million of an inheritance. And God only knows what happened. God only knows what happened when Sinn Féin and the Provisional IRA were one and the same thing. No one knows where the money went then, or how it was translated. That's the bottom line, deputies. And that's why I really would love scrutiny and transparency in relation to all of that.